What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do another unboxing. Haven't done another unboxing on some kicks in a while. That's because I've been taking L's on sneaker app, left and right. I'm sure everybody else has too. So speculation out there on why that was, but even when that got nipped in the bud, if y'all know what I'm talking about, they people still taking L's, including myself. But anyway, let's go check out what we got. Boom. Thumbnail. So, you know about the box. We got some J's. So, size 10. These are Air Jordan 5 Retros. See what they look like. It's my first time taking them out, y'all, so feel privileged. Oh. Yeah, buddy. So at first glance, first feel, very light, very, you know, if you're really about to hoop in these, you know, might be a comfortable pair of shoes, not too bulky. Leather looks pretty tough. By meaning tough, it means you know, pretty good. Sometimes the leather on some of these kicks be bad. On the blue, I was wondering, this more on the tongue more looks like a royal blue, but it seems could be a little lighter than that. You got the gray tongue, you got that reverse Jordan inside the tongue, or I would say reverse Jordan, but upside down Jordan. You know how they do it on the inside of the 5. Now what I'm looking at is they got some kind of wedge right here. Oh, it's just a piece of paper. I'm like, I never noticed that. I'm just gonna leave that there because guess what? I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. Nice pair of shoes. Now I'm looking at them, holding them. And right here it's well, it looks more like, I thought it was black, but this is more like a navy blue. Hold on, let me throw these lights. Whoa. Throw that light on for you, see if that help better a little bit. But it's more like a navy blue here, but it's some sprinkles of like that Tar Heel kind of blue or a light blue. It's just so subtle you can't really tell. And then you got that blue front, which I know some shoes, these could be dangerous because you walking with this part, right? And you scraping, and this is like a little layer of paint, you know, that can come off. But you know, Jordan makes them, you know, high quality shoes. You got that gray sole right there. That's something. So it's a few colors in here, and then the lace waffles. They're kind of, dang, what are? Is that like a light gray or off white? But it's not exactly white. So it's some colors blended in there, mostly blue, gray, and black. So you got the other shoe side by side, you know. Bottoms. So yeah. Oh, and the black MJ. So let me know in the comments, like, would y'all keep these or would you let them go? You know, let me know in the comments, because yeah, they not bad. I just don't know. You know, got so many pairs of white shoes, and that's all I wear with something white, but I don't wear too much of this color per se, so I don't wear too much anymore at all anyway. So yeah, let me know what y'all would do with these in the comments. So should I keep them or should I get them gone? But anyway, until I check y'all out the next time, thanks for supporting the channel. Till the next go around, y'all take care of each other, and long live D-Mac.